Hey y'all, how we doing today? Michael Blueface Plus. Thanks for tuning in on today's episode. Boy, we got something different here. We got ourselves a marketplace deal. 2010 Jeep Patriot. Really good shape, one owner, 150,000 miles, not running, no start. We're getting it for about 700 bucks. Great deal. We're taking a chance though. They do have the CVT transmissions, and these cars are very problematic. So I'm sure we're going to be buying a bunch of problems, but we're going to be sharing with you how we're going to fix those problems. So if we get this thing back on the road. So this is going to be our first little, repair video as far as going out, finding something, bringing it back, working on it, and sharing it with you guys. So if you have a Jeep Patriot and you want to stick around and if you know something, please comment if you have one or what things you might have had to repair. But this thing's got 150,000 miles, so I'm hoping it's still got some life. We'll probably do like some tune-up, some oil changes. Right now it's got sensors. It's no start, so we got to get this thing fired up. So, but first we got to go pick it up. So I'm heading to U-Haul. We're going to pick up the trailer. We're going to load that up. We're going to drive over there. We got the cash, 700 bucks. Let's get this deal done. Let's get out there. Let's get after it. And appreciate y'all. Let's go get this deal. I'm excited to share it with you. And if you like content like this, check out some of my other videos. I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee and some other stuff we fix up, boat engines, and we're all over the place. But I appreciate y'all. Mike, we're going to go check this thing out. Let's go get that trailer. Let's get this done. Alrighty, guys, look what we're dealing with. Good old rainstorm, pouring. Taking the 4x4 Chevy. We got some extra straps. We're going to head out. We're going to get this thing done. Alrighty, y'all, we getting ready to leave U-Haul. We just picked up the auto transport, rated. So it's raining out here on us, so we're gonna head on over, check this thing out, and hopefully get this thing loaded up. Alrighty, guys, still pouring and raining. We got the U-Haul. We're heading there. We're about 30 minutes away. We had to go grab a come-along so we can winch that thing up there onto the trailer. So we're gonna be getting there shortly. Just want to update and let y'all know we're gonna get it. All right, jacking her on the trailer. Look at her go.
Come on, Tip.
Smile, babe. We're getting somewhere.
All right, Tiffany, go.
Alrighty, guys, we got her loaded up. It's everything we needed. It's in really good shape. Just a quick little overall. We got her strapped on. She's looking good. Got some dings in it, some scratches in the paint, some bad, some things. For a 2010 though, overall looks pretty good. We're gonna get working on this, get this thing back and parked. Alrighty, y'all, let's get her off. Recording? Alright. Alrighty, y'all, here we go. Don't let me run you over now. Is it at the gate? Keep going, keep going. So here we are, y'all, after a long day. It's been raining on us all day. We got the trailer. We got over there. We made a deal. We got the car. Very nice people selling it. One owner, very sincere. We were able to negotiate it. Very good people. Thanks. I just want to thank them for, giving us the opportunity to work on this and get this thing back on the road. But either way, we got it loaded up on the trailer. We got it transported back. It's here, where we're going to be working on it. So just want to give you guys a walkthrough. Let's show you what we got and talk a little bit about this, and let's just hop right into it. So here on the back, just a simple hatch. Window don't go up. A lot of space. Seats roll up. Got the extra, wiper blades and the transmission dipstick. We're going to need that because we're going to be servicing the transmission once we get this thing back on the road. Overall, really clean shape. Lots of room, so my girlfriend's gonna love that. She's gonna be able to put all of her stuff. Here's a side view. Wheels can use either a repaint. We have a little ding in the door. I'll probably get this thing retinted. Really good shape. Here's a front view of it. Pretty clean, pretty clean. Paint's still pretty good. Some scratches on the hood. But here we got the 2.0. So oil's very clean, no milk in it. So whenever you guys are looking at these cars, you want to make sure you don't have milk in the oil. You don't want no milk, no bad stuff. So we're getting some codes. We're going to look into that. We're going to start there. But for now, I just want to show you guys a quick walkthrough. The side's pretty nice. We literally rolled it off in here, so it's kind of hard to get in here. But the tint, yeah, overall tint. We got manual windows. So it's one less thing that can break. The seats drop back. So plenty of storage. So at least we get a car seat in here for my daughter. Interior is really clean. Not really scuffed up. So overall, really happy with it, y'all. I'm looking forward to get working on this and try to get into here and see what the problems are. Overall, very clean, plenty of storage, automatic. Looks like you got some, some Tektronix or whatever they call that, glove box. Overall, it's really clean. No cracks on the dash. The headliner's in really good shape. Let's get over there to that. Let's go ahead and shut this. So we got some scrapes up here. I'm going to end up buffing, polishing it, and see if I can't get that to clean up. Paint the wheels. Put some product on these weather strippings, these moldings down here. Clean all that up. Let's go sit in the old girl. Take a look at what we got. Keys in. So it looks like we got a check engine light. We got to service some stuff right now. The e-brake's on, but overall, not firing. So that's what she's doing. We're gonna get a code reader on here. We got 159,000 miles, so just under 160. One owner. Overall, it's really good shape. I'm looking into. They said the AC worked. They said the AC was ice cold. The radio probably works. I'm making no funny noises. So yeah, guys, that's that. This is the 2010 Jeep Patriot. We just got a pretty good deal on it. When I get a used car, I like to usually pay around $1,000, just under that, and get them working and running. It's a nice hobby. I enjoy doing that in my free time. Plus, my girlfriend's going to get the SUV she wants, so it's a win-win. Just hopefully, I don't have to sink too much money into this, but we'll update you guys along the way what types of repairs we make when I get this thing back on the road. And just remember, guys, if you can't break it, if it's broken. So, go out there, get you something, find you something, and fix it up, and restore it, or go buy something, sign and drive. That's up to you guys. I like to work and fix things up and keep things on the road. I'm all about renewal and trying to keep things going. So I appreciate y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for repair videos. Hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. We may start getting rid of some t-shirts, but I just want to thank you guys. I appreciate y'all supporting my channel. Y'all take care, and let's get this done and see what the next one brings us. So y'all take care. God bless y'all. Peace.